we invest in. Can you see this? Can you see this? A hectare of our house. Can you see this? This is what we invest in. We invest in estate. This is what we invest in, estate. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is an original. Let me just show you. This is a title deed. Like, there's the original stamp. You can see it over there. There it is over there. There's that original stamp. You can see it. It's an original title deed.
You can't have 63 million and make
it's fine.
your life suffer like that.
So, understand my question.
You can see it. You can see it's an original title deed. You can see it for yourself. This is an original title deed. There's my name and everything. You can see it for yourself. You understand? This is what I invest in.
Okay, coach, let me come to you because there's no personal preferences and stuff.
Yeah.
Do you remember the house? Do you remember the house you used to stay in at Blue Valley?
Yes, correct.
Do you know your neighbor? The neighbor that you used to stay with? The
I don't want to mention names because it's powerful people, but I think I do. Yes.
The vendor guy, ne?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Yeah,
I know him. You bought your brother?
Yeah. You bought that house, the yellow one.
Is he your brother? Answer me first.
No, I'm asking. No, did you buy that yellow house?
Answer me first.
Okay.
Is he your brother?
Why did you leave? Why did you leave at Blue Valley?
My guy, answer me first. Is he your brother?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Let me tell you something. Remember, there are certain things which are personal that we cannot disclose on social media.
Okay.
There are certain things that I can only tell you in person. They are very much sensitive. And I believe as somebody who knows my boys and what, if there's something that you want to do.
But myself, I know.
Yeah, but here's what I'm telling you. There are certain things which are way too.
And if you were the owner of that house, the thing that they chased you for there, you were not going to leave because it's your house. But I know why you left there.
Okay, why did I leave? Tell me.
They complained about noise. They complained about you going on the roof. They complained about a lot of things. They did a meeting with the estate managers and stuff, and then they find out that you didn't buy the house, you are renting it, and chase you out.
Okay, so they chased me out.
Yes, they did. They canceled the lease of the house. You were renting it. So
okay, sure. So where do I stay now?
So you stay in Kalani.
Okay, I'm also renting.
I don't know.
Okay, it seems like you know a lot more about people than people know about themselves.
No, I don't know a lot about people.
Like honestly, I mean,
it's
okay. Let me ask you this. Let me ask you this. Since you want to know personal stuff, did they also tell you that there were guys who came to my house with fucking machine guns?
No, they didn't.
To kidnap me. Did they also tell you that?
To kidnap you? How?
No, answer me. Did they also tell you that?
No, I don't know that story. No one knows about that story.
Remember what I said.
It's your story. It's your story alone.
Remember what I said. Listen, Innocent. Remember what I said, my guy. There are certain things that are way too personal that if you want to find out and know the truth, always safe to say, Coach, I need to understand something. Let me come through and then I'll tell you everything, my guy. Because now it's a problem because I think I've already. Let me finish.
You always own your shit. That's one thing I like about it. Because you always own your shit. Wait, let me tell you, because that it's something else. I want to tell you something. You own your shit all the time. You're not scared of where you come from. You always open. But why Forex guys always lie about money? Why do you always lie about properties, cars, and stuff? Why don't you own your shit like you always own them and tell the truth about these things?
Okay. So what I'm picking up here is you personally have a problem with traders. That's what I'm picking up already.
I don't have problems.
No, let me finish talking. Let me finish talking, my guy. The reason why I know you have a problem is because you also know things that I also don't know about me. I mean, wait, let me finish, my guy. Let me finish. You see, I gave you a chance. You explained. So it's only fair that you give me a chance as well, right? Sharp. You know things that I also don't know about myself. I mean, how on earth do you know about an estate meeting that I don't know of if I'm the one who offended the estate rules? You know, such things. It seems like you already know a lot more about me than I know about me, which is okay, because that's what gossipers do. And I've already picked it from... No, listen. We are talking. We are not fighting.
Pella, we're not fighting. It was not a secret. It was not a secret.
I know. No, don't let me finish.
And it's not about gossipers. When
Soul, give me a chance to explain, my guy.
No, I need to know you. You want to explain. You want to explain.
Inner Soul. Okay, Inner Soul. What do you do for a living? Inner Soul. Tell me, what do you do for a living?
I sleep.
I know. Let's stop playing around. What do you do for a living? I'm asking brother to brother. You know I'm a trader. What do you do?
I sleep and make music.
Oh, then that's it. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So now, tell me, my guy, ne? Tell me, why are you so entitled in people's lives to an extent that when a person...